everyone, I'm Tracy, also known as TK, and I'd like to share some of the science behind two of my breakfast routines each morning. First, I'm going to add this effervescent tablet to a glass of water. Now, this tablet contains loads of vitamin B and C, but that's not what interests me most. It also contains citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, which take part in a classic acid-base reaction. You can see how it fizzes and produces little bubbles when I place it in the water. Now, if we could dive into this glass and observe at a molecular level, wouldn't that be cool? We would see chemical chaos. Chemical bonds are being broken and new bonds are being formed. And the citric acid does what acids do, and it's donating its hydrogen ions. And the sodium bicarbonate, the base, dissociates, and all the interactions between the ions results in three products being formed. One being water, another the salt sodium citrate, and the third product is carbon dioxide, the gas which is responsible for the fizzing and the bubbles that you see. Now I add a slice of bread to the toaster because we all know how much better toast tastes than bread. Bread contains proteins and carbohydrates, and when I pop it into the toaster, a chemical reaction takes place on the surface of the bread as it is toasting. And this particular reaction involves certain amino acids in the protein combining with specific carbohydrates to form new molecules which alter the flavor and the color of the bread. Oh, and we need a high temperature for this to happen. So if we look inside the toaster, we will see coils of wire which become red hot. And they are made of an alloy of nickel and chromium called nichrome. And the reason the coils become red hot and don't melt is because nichrome has a very high resistance to the flow of electrons, resulting in energy being given out in the form of heat, which then provides the correct temperature for our chemical reaction on the surface of the bread. Look at that beautiful golden brown toast.